destiny. Justice for the poor, to set we free. Unity are the key, Babylon can rule me. One voice, one love and humanity. Unity are the key, Africa with destiny. Justice for the poor, to set we free. Unity are the key, Babylon can rule me. One voice, one love and humanity. Africans might shine bright universally. Break down the wall and inequality.
Who is there? Come inside.
Good morning, my prince.
Oh, Nana, how are you?
I'm fine, my prince. My prince, I brought your laundry.
Oh, that's good. Take it to the wardrobe.
Okay, sir.
Let them talk, let them run their mouth. Talk, run your mouth.
Leave me alone, haters. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
I'm not the reason why Nigeria is not working. Leave me alone. Ooh, yeah. Leave me alone.
My prince, please don't do this, please. This is the only way I used to feed my family.
Nonsense! You do what I tell you to do! I'm the prince of this kingdom!
My prince.
I do my part!
Me a feel if ya come bother say no more. If me sit there, remember me declare your soul. Me a feel say farewell. Now we come to your door. The Lion of Judah go run, can't stay anymore.
Lance, what is going on here? David, nothing out of the ordinary. Nothing is going on. Everything is fine.
Look, Lance, we're already short of maid because we are harassing the former one. What is wrong with you?
You know what, David? Just chill, just chill. The problem is, David, can I tell you something? We are just frustrated. Can I ask you a question? Are you a gay?
Don't you even insult me. The reason why you don't see me with a woman is because I don't trust you around any of my women. I'll never bring them here because you are a fucking egos.
Bro,
bad guy, you.
I'm going to give you one of my girls.
Bad guy.
Since the last maid left, because of our son's bad behavior, we have been in need of a maid. The maid servant, Nana, cannot do everything in this house. My king, we really need a cook.
Don't you have a friend in the village that has 3 daughters? Ask her if she will send one of them to come and help out as a maid for a while. I will pay her better.
Wow, my king, that is a very good idea. I'm going to call my friend Obi. She has 3 daughters. One of them is called Sonnet, while the other is called Daisy, and the other one, Elizabeth. Do you know, I heard that Sonnet is a very good cook, and she made this special juice, special lemonade. I heard that if you taste it, you will never be the same. It is very, very sweet. I think I will ask my friend to send Sonnet for us because I really need her. But I don't know if she's going to allow her to stay in this place with us. Because I want, when I wake up in the morning, I want to have my breakfast, my lunch, and if I need snacks, I want it to be available.
Also, I heard that she's very beautiful.
My husband, do not let me get hot. You know I'm too jealous.
I'm only kidding. Call Obi and let's see what she has to say. Okay?
Let her cook for my son. If my son likes the lemonade, I will call my friend Obi. Oh, what is this now? Eh? I'm coming!
Shonette! Where is this food for nothing useless girl? See me to wahala. If I say this girl don't dey grow with, I will let am know say up no dey grow pass planter. Shonette! Our clothes better be ready. It better be washed and ironed. Exactly. You're nothing but a housemaid. You never amount to nothing. Let me tell you. You see those two priests that live out there? They are wedding. And we are going to secure marriage with them. You are lucky. My mother took pity on you and brought you in. Hey, you, let me get here. Yes, you will always be a slave until the day you die. We are going to do our hardest to marry Lax and David. I will take Lax. And I will take David and become wedding. And you will work for me in my house.
It's okay. The God I serve will deliver me. Your food will be washed. And your food will be prepared before you come back.
I don't know what God was serving, but I know who I am serving.
Yes, you're serving a devil, and a devil worker will eventually get what is coming to them. But the God I serve will take care of me.
Shut up! Mama, get out of here! Get up! Get up! I said, get up! That's not even a living. Your life is like this. Be careful. Maybe. There? No. I guess it's there. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. You are sure? Yes. You're almost there. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Help me. Give me a hand. Yeah. The lion of Judah, the rock can stay up in I'm sorry, sir.
I'm calling my great grandfather.
Good afternoon, sir.
You feel too loud. What you blow through to my shrine? Come on, step back. How dare you run through to my shrine? Are you mad?
We are sorry, sir.
Why are you here?
We are here because we want to secure a position in the palace. Yeah. We need a spare. I, Daisy, and my sister Elizabeth want Prince Les and his brother David to get married to her. Exactly. Just a spare on them so that they will fall in love with us.
You want the prince?
Yes.
You must drink my concoction. You will drink my concoction
Okay, sir.
so that the prince will accept your request.
Yes.
Are you hearing me now?
Yes, Imbe.
Oh! Oh! And as you are going back, don't look back. Don't look back. I say go. Go.
Prince Imbe.
Go. Oh,
Obi, my woman. The village will know that I've arrived. By the time I make up. Hey! Ah! This one my queen remembered me today. Eh? Since how many years she got married, she forgot me and left me in the village. Well, no problem. Let me answer because I need to get to that palace. My queen! Hey, long time. Long live my queen, my friend. How are you, my queen? I'm doing well, my friend. I have a little problem. I'm done a cook. Why? What happened, my queen? Some problem with her and life. We have to let her go. Ah, a pity. What can I do for you now, my queen? I heard that Shonette is a good cook. Yes! Shonette is a good cook. Ah, my queen.
She's a good cook. I tell you, she makes the best meal in this house. And she's also good in serving in this house. But you know, I don't like using that word, servant. Considering I took her from the orphanage. You know. But the truth is that she's our house help.
I have an offer for you.
You have an offer for me? What offer, my queen?
I want to give her a contract.
For how long, my queen?
A year.
Ah, my queen. It's a very long time for me to leave Shaunet out of this house. How am I going to cope? Ah, my queen. My queen, you know now. That means you have to send some money in my account to my queen. And you also pay her.
Money can never be the problem. How much?
My queen. Ah, I can't charge you now. Ah, can I charge you? You are my friend. So tell me what you have for us, my queen.
I'll pay you $10,000.
Hey! $10,000! Wow! For your time, why you do? Hey! If you said to be man, I will shut it down. If you said to be man, I will really fail. If you said to be man, I will shut it down. I will really fail. Shaunet! Shaunet! Oh! I didn't want that gathering. Shaunet! I've been calling you since.
Sorry, ma.
My daughter Shaunet. Shaunet, my daughter. Guess what, my daughter? Hey! God is really shining on you today. Oh. Your luck just shined. My friend, my queen, Musa, she just called me. Oh. She said she need a very good cook. And guess what? I recommended. You know you're a very good cook. You make the best meal in this house now. Shaunet. So you know what? She's going to pay you good money. And your son too. Like this now. You look more beautiful, my daughter. You know that. But no. Oh yeah, go and pack your things, my daughter. Go. Go and pack your start packing now. Start now, start packing. She pay me good money. Oh yeah, come, my daughter. Listen, let me just tell you. You better not spoil things for me. No. And make sure you get to that interview on time. Just turn up on time. I don't want to miss that money. You know in this house I need money.
Yeah.
I don't want to miss that money. And please don't spoil things for me. You know, I don't want you to spoil things for me. You know your sisters, their eyes is with those two princes there. And by the time they get to that palace, through you, you know, our story will change. And me and you, will that be in the same category? One no has or mass. By the time I will gouge and come out, she's going to pay you good money. What I want you to do is just get there. Make way for my children. Okay. For them to enter. My daughter. Wait, go get your things. Okay. Tomorrow is the interview. Okay. Tomorrow, go. Okay. Go. Look for good clothes. You know the way you used to cook for us? Yes. My daughter. Fine get. You are very useful in this.
Prince David and Prince Lance. Nice doing business with you. Prince David, nice doing business with you. Prince Lance, nice doing business with you. So you will sign here. Prince David. Good. Prince Lance, please sign here.
Nice doing business.
Prince David, nice doing business with you.
Nice doing business with you.
All right.
I'm sure that Juju man has scammed us. But let's wait for a while. Better, they better give us attention. Better.
Ayama hey azingi ayama hey azingi ayama my great queen, I have a word to share with you.
Speak. I'm listening.
Hey, my queen, I want to tell you that all the children are after your two princes.
How do you mean?
to me to do a ritual spell, but I did not do it.
Is that right? We are going to take care of those two sisters. They think in their widest world they can put a spell on my two sons. I'm going to deal with them. Don't worry.
I am a ho ho, hey, ho ho ho, my queen. I am a ho ho, ho ho ho, hey. I am a ho ho, hey, hey.
Get spotted on this one. What a city. Raise yourself, by yourself, see yourself, make yourself, be yourself, guide yourself, help yourself, kill yourself, save your soul, heal your soul. Don't be tired, everything will be fine. If nobody raise me, nobody raise me, I have to raise myself. If nobody help me, nobody help me, I have to help myself. If nobody love me, nobody love me, I have to love myself. If nobody like me, nobody like me, I have to like myself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon, young lady. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Please, I'm here for the interview.
Oh, young lady, you are welcome. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. So, what experience do you have in cooking food? Or have you done this before?
Well, I've been cooking for years for my family, and I do have an employment with another family for a little bit.
Good. Don't worry, I know what I'm going to do. I've arranged some food in the kitchen that I want you to prepare for me. Cause I've heard how you prepare some lemonade juice that wins the hearts and soul of the people in the village, of which I'm going to be the judge for that.
Okay, sir.
So, come, let me take you to the kitchen.
I'm going to make you go crazy for my lemonade. I swear, you don't know who is cooking for you.
My friend, your lemonade is ready.
Wow.
Have a taste of my magic lemonade.
Wow. Unbelievable.
You like it?
I've never tasted such juice in my life. This juice tastes so sweet.
I told you like it, sir.
No wonder people in the village are going crazy because of this your lemonade juice.
Thank you, sir.
See now, on atom ka sugar. You eat it too much. See now, on atom no voro. So, congratulations.
Thank you.
You just won the contract. But the contract is supposed to be for 1 year. But I'm going to speak to the queen and the king to extend it to 2 years.
Thank you, my friends. Thank you, my friends. Thank you.
Wow. One is Shincha.
Everything I lay my hands are blessings. He don't bless No, my friend, still over. Well, I still love you after all these years. So all this while you've been coming to Dubai on a business trip on behalf of your husband, he did not know that you are really spending time with me. Well, I think it's high time to get rid of the thing. The money I gave to you to give to that Jujuma, have you given yet? Have you done it yet? When are we going to be together? You and I, Lens, our son. It is time for the king to step down from the throne.
My love, I'm tired of pretending. You know I don't love that man. He irritates me. You know my heart belongs to you. We are supposed to be a proper family. He will die in a few days. Do you know what? I've sorted everything out. We are going to be together very soon. And we will take all his money. Do not worry, my love. He does not even know that love has been extracting money from his back. He even trusts me with the whole of his heart. But he does not know that I've been ripping him off.
Better. Because I don't know how long I'm going to stay out there. It is time for the king to die. Then I will take over all his companies.
That's good, my love. Let's just go back.
You know I love you so much.
I know.
I love you, baby.
What the Are you not happy working for us here?
Quite the contrary. Of course. I am grateful. I love working for you. My prince, I am very disturbed, and what I'm about to tell you, I don't even know if I should even utter it out of my mouth.
Really? But why?
My prince, I hope we are safe talking here. Because the walls have ears.
Sounds so serious.
Yes, my prince. Please, believe me what I'm about to tell you. Your father's life is in danger.
What are you talking about?
I know it's going to be hard for you to believe. Listen, your mother has been plotting with one of the businessmen that you seal that deal with.
Really?
The main one, Chief Ogo. Your mother has been going to Dubai. When she says she's doing business, she's not doing any business.
Come on. How dare you talk to my mom like that?
My prince, your mother is having an affair with that man.
Eh?
Yes. I overheard them how to eliminate the king and ensure that after he dies, he will not get into the throne.
Are you serious?
My prince, let me shock you. Lance is not your brother. Yes.
Eh?
Yes. He is Chief August's son.
Oh my God. So my mother will choose my brother over me? I can't believe this. Huh? We have to go to the king.
Of course.
We have to go to the king immediately.
Of course, his life is in danger. Oh. You love my prince. Let's go and save your father.
Good spotted on this one. What a sick thing. Raise yourself, by yourself, see yourself, make yourself, be yourself, guide yourself, help yourself, don't kill yourself, save your soul, get your soul, don't be tired, everything will be fine. If nobody raise me, nobody raise me, I have to raise myself. If nobody help me, the kingdom belongs to you. If nobody love me, I have to love myself.
Let this be the great hymn there, the greatest among Gibeah in the whole universe. Because it's only a lion that will give birth to a lion. Because a lion cannot give birth to a goat. Yeah, this is the great hymn there. This is me. Oh, I greet you, my forefather. My forefather. Oh, yeah, Palawaka Kanodu, Modendo, Mohura, whoa, 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 yeah, Palawaka Kanodu, Modendo. My pin, what brought you to my shrine?
We came here for a purpose.
What purpose?
Mbe, the king should have been dead long ago. What is happening? I paid you very well for this job. Why is he not dead? Mbe, I want the king dead as soon as possible. I'm going to pay you double for your trouble. What will it take?
I knew! You was coming here, and my ancestors chose me. I have a concussion here to give you to drink. You and your son and your lover. And whatever you said, the king is going to concur.
Yes! I want everything to belong to me. My mom, yeah, and my dad. I don't want my brother to get anything. Because he thinks he's better than me. Eh? And I don't trust his sexual ability. I don't want him to bring shame to this kingdom. Okay? So do your possible best to eliminate these people. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I agree. I agree, my son. You are right. You know I love you so much. And I love your mother as well. We will do everything possible to make sure we take over the throne. Yes. Mbe, this better work. Otherwise, you will not have a place to practice this your juju. You will take it to elsewhere. It's better work.
It will work, my chief. I have mixed the concussion already. But three of you have to drink the concussion so that everything will be perfect. Okay. I guarantee you, if you drink this concoction, in 3 days' time, the king will no more. And the palace will belong to you. The throne will belong to you. The kingdom will belong to you. They will bow to you. Have it, my son. Have it. Oh, Ibodo! I don't want room, but what's all? Take it! Take it! And everything will belong to you. You are the rightful throne. You are the rightful throne to take your father's place. Oh!
It tastes like lemonade. It tastes so sweet.
Yes, it tastes so sweet.
But why does it taste like lemonade?
A rich man in the midst of poor people is a poor man. Reality time. You say that you are the richest man, but all your family members are suffering. Greedy man, you are richer than American.
We are not here to joke. I want as soon as possible. I want this man to.
I the get
Wonder shall never end.
Hey! Onya akpala nwa ka aka n'ọdụ.
Queen!
Ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onya akpala nwa ka aka n'ọdụ. Ma ọ dị ndụ. Ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onya akpala nwa ka aka n'ọdụ. Ma ọ dị ndụ. Ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onya akpala nwa ka aka n'ọdụ.
Mother, how could you? How could you? I'm so disappointed in you. How could you and your lover plan to kill my dad to take over the throne? You will be lying that you're going to Dubai. Not knowing that you're in his bed having fun. Having fun. Mother, I'm so disappointed.
You Jezebel! You must confess. You must confess. The evil forest will track you immediately.
King.
Forgive me.
Please.
My king. My son David, please. Shonette, please. Hey, Nana, help me to beg the king.
Take the throne.
Please.
David, take the throne.
Just let us pray.
Please.
I beg you, my
Forgive us,
king.
please.
My very good friend, please, I beg you. Please.
I'm still your wife.
I'm very sorry.
Let us pray.
I'm very sorry.
Which wife?
It's the work of the devil.
I'm still your mother.
I'm sorry, my
I'm still
king.
your mother there.
We'll be friends for years.
No! Leave alone!
Beg the king.
Why will I talk to
Let me
you?
talk to him, okay?
You plan and connive to kill him.
Help me talk to him, okay?
You all will
Who has the last laugh now?
Thank you very much for your confession. But you see that thing that you drank is a special lemonade. And there is a poison in it. And you see the three of you, you are going to die today.
Hey!
enjoy meeting your creators. So you, the queen, and you, Lance, you try to kill your own son, your brother, just because of the throne. And you even try to take the king's life. I forbid you. You will never succeed, and this is your end. So you think that Mbe is going to help you? No, Mbe is working for us, for your father, for your husband, and for all of us. I am going to show you lemonade love. I am going to show you lemonade love because you are dying right now. And I'm taking your son. You're doing this just because you know your son have a thing for me, right?
And it's a Joe man on this one again. Yeah. Iboka di kiboko. Iboka di kiboko. Yeah. Iboka di kiboko. Iboka di kiboko. See, build your confidence in anything you do. Don't fear your opponents. No condemn the boo. Nothing is permanent. Under the earth. One day your song goes set. That's how you know the land. Life's not JJ.
I need my balance. Don't diet. My money. Don't diet. I say my money. My queen, my balance. Give me my money. You cannot buy my money. I said give me my balance. Don't buy I need my balance. Give me my balance. My balance of my money. Oh, no. You must give my balance. What is wrong? My balance. Oh. You want me to lose? People should reform my balance. No! You can't die here yet.
They are dead.
They
cannot see them.
David, you and Solange go and take over the throne. As for me, I'm going to start a new life with Nana. I wish both of you good luck.
Thank you.
We wish you guys well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Queen.
Oh. This is lemonade. Come, let's go.
The truth has been revealed. There is no champion different between the light.
A rich man in the midst of poor people is a poor man. Reality time. You say that you are the richest man, but all your family members are suffering. Greedy man, you are richer than America, no road to your village. Greedy man, you own a city, but no light in your village. Greedy man, you can't even buy paracetamol for your sick mother. Greedy man, Mr. Greedy man, Mr. Greedy man, useful idiot like you are. Mr. Greedy man, Mr. Greedy man, what was that stinking shit? Mr. Greedy man, Mr. Greedy man, that just a wicked man. Mr. Greedy man, Mr. Greedy man, that like a poor man too. What a sin thing. Why do you hate to see me riding on bicycle? One greedy man. You own cars, you own houses, but you don't want to see me riding on bicycle.